Hello, Sean from the AV King here. So we showed you how to connect your laptop using a HDMI cable up to this Epson projector. Now we're going to show you how to wirelessly present your Windows 10 laptop up to the Epson projector. So what we'll do, we'll just, first before I do this, we'll make sure we press the LAN button here so the projector will actually go to the screen mirroring input. And then we'll come down to our Windows 10 laptop, down to the bottom here, click on this icon, then we can click on connect here, and then our Epson projector will pop up here. So that's the name of the Epson projector display. So it says we're connected here. Up on the image here it says it's connecting. There you have it. Epson wireless presenting. Thank you.